Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. I post a lot of fashion related videos as well as shopping vlogs and unboxings and reviews. So if you're interested in any of that, then consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red button down below. Also turn on the bell to be notified each time I post something new. First of all, I wanted to say how sorry I am for not posting last week, but I was working on my room and as you can see, there is a sneak peek. You can already tell that it looks completely different and I'm so excited. A few of you wanted to see a video, like a room makeover video, and I'm still working on that, but hopefully it will be up soon. But for today I have a haul for you guys. It's the clothing haul. I ordered some pieces from ASOS as well as H&M. It was actually my first time ordering from ASOS. I've heard of it before, but I never went on the website, and apparently they have so many cute items on there. Everything you want, the shoes, the clothes, accessories. So they have such a big selection you can choose from. I did shop, everything arrived. I also went to H&M and I picked up a few pieces there as well. Unfortunately, two of the dresses that I ordered from ASOS didn't fit and I'm sending them back, so I won't be sharing them with you guys. Also, the quality wasn't the best, so I'm actually happy they didn't fit. So they're going back. We don't care about them. Also, what I thought would be fun to make is show you how exactly I'm gonna style everything. So today we're gonna play mix and match. We're gonna be mixing high street fashion, so the ASOS and the H&M pieces together with the high-end fashion. I'm so excited. I will show you how you can style all of these pieces wearing designer shoes and bags. With that said, let's begin. Also, this is the first time I'm filming this kind of format for a video. I've never done that before, so I would love to have your feedback. To me right now, filming regular hauls is a little bit boring and I want to be a little bit more creative, give you more ideas. So if you like this format in the future, I will note it down and I will try to make my videos even more entertaining for you guys. So yes, let me know how you feel about this new type of videos that I'm trying to implement into my YouTube channel. But let's start with the very first piece. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's this beautiful white blouse. It is from ASOS and I think it is from the original ASOS brand. It is so cool. I really love the puffy sleeves and the design on the sleeve is just honestly so beautiful. I think it is so cute. It has some ties over here and also two ties in the front. It is very light. It is not see-through. I wouldn't say that. The only problem is the little holes in between here, but I think you can sew them if you want to. Maybe that's what I will do in the future. For now, it's fine. And it cinches you in the waist area. It has an elastic band, so it is pretty comfy. And this is what it looks like at the back. So cute. I still have the tag on. I'll have to remove it, but I wanted to keep it so I can link everything. By the way, if you like something, I'll try to link every single item in the description box, so yeah, just go and check out down there. So this is how I'm thinking of styling this piece with my Manolo Blahnik flats. They have a little bit of white and pink and they are so gorgeous. And also I'm pairing it with my Dionysus handbag because it has some pink as well. I don't own a fully pink handbag, that's why I think this one that has some pink patches will look so cute. It also has some blue on the side to match the denim, but I think this overall looks really nice together. What do you think, guys? I also love that the hardware on the handbag and the shoes match because it has some darker aged silver on both and it looks pretty good together. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the way this outfit turned out to be. I think it is very casual, very summery, very cute, but you can definitely add another pop of color if you want to. So the next two pieces are this white blouse, another one with puffy sleeves, and this black shorts. They're both from H&M. I bought these two together to wear together and I think they look quite nice, but I'm not sure about the top yet because of the neckline. It is pretty deep for my liking, and also I hate that the top button keeps opening up all the time, and it's just so scary to even wear it outside. Imagine me sitting like sipping my coffee or something in a cafe and then it just opens up. And yes, I don't want this to happen, so I'm not sure if I will keep this top, but I definitely like it, again because of the puffy sleeves, and it's just so summery. The little detailing on this shirt is quite cute as well. And now I'm gonna show you how I would style these two pieces. So since it is black and white, I want to try two different looks. So number one, a little bit more formal, and the other one is more relaxed and casual. So for this first look, I'm pairing this outfit with my J'adore flats. I think they look pretty formal. They're also black and white, so they go perfectly with this outfit. And also I'm pairing it with my Chanel Jumbo, which is pretty classic in my opinion and very, very formal. So this is the first way I would wear this outfit. Another option would be this peekaboo bag. It is also very classy, and I think it looks really nice with the shorts in general. I don't know why, but I think it looks pretty cool because of its look, I guess. It is more modern. So for a more relaxed and casual look, I would go for some sandals. I'm pairing this outfit with this Chanel sandals that I picked up on sales last summer, and they look so cute with the camellia flowers on them, and also with the Chanel mini square bag. As you can see, I don't play around with colors a lot, so if it's black and white, I prefer having my shoes and my bag in either black or white. Since I don't have anything white, it's black, but you can definitely have fun with it and style it with maybe a brighter bag, something like red, or even a backpack like a mini Palm Springs mini backpack. It really depends on your personal preference, but the way I would style it is with something either black or white. That's just the easiest way to go for me. This is the next piece that I picked up. It is from ASOS, and it's this beautiful dress. It has some cute little flowers all over it, and it's in black, but it has some flowers in white and blue and a little bit of brown and burgundy, and all together it looks so cute. And I'm already pairing it with this bag since it has a similar blue, and I really wanted to add some pop of color to this dress, and I think with this cute little handbag it looks very nice together. I'm also pairing this dress with the classic Chanel flats. I have them in black color. It has some very nice detailing on the sleeve, and here on the waist area I feel like I need to add a belt in here. The problem is that I don't have any belts, and for this dress you need something thicker, so it could go between this two lines, if you can see them. I don't know why this was done. It's really unnecessary, but I think if you have a nice thick belt, you can definitely add it so you can cinch your waist area and it will look even better. I love that it has this collar. I love shirts in general and everything that has a collar. I'm obsessed with it. So in this case, with this dress, I think it's a really great. So this is the next outfit. I got the same shorts as the black ones, but in beige, and I also found this very cool blazer to wear together. Right now I feel like suits are so on trend, and I really loved this beige color. I think it is very neutral. Also wearing light during summer is the best thing you can do. I'm pairing this blazer and shorts with my silk blouse. It's from Sandro. I bought it a couple of years ago, so I'm not sure if it's still available, but I think silk is the best fabric to wear during summer because it is so breathable and so light. And I really loved this blazer. I'm not sure what the material is. It feels like linen. I think it is still very cute and so nice for summer, but the only problem is that the shades are slightly different on the blazer and the shorts. They're not exactly the same, so you can definitely tell they did not come from the same set. So I'm not sure if it will bother me once I wear it outside. I'll probably try and wear it a little bit at home, take some pictures to see if you can really see the difference in the shade. I've decided to style this outfit with my Bois handbag. This is the closest color to beige that I could find in my closet. I don't have any beige handbags. This is something I also need to work on in the future, but I think it still looks pretty cool together. I really wanted this look to be very casual and relaxed, although suit style seems a little bit more formal, but in this case it is relaxed. So we're taking the bois de chapeau, and for my shoes I'm wearing the Gucci Princeton loafers in the same beige color. I think the whole look together looks so pretty. I love it so much. If you want, you can definitely add a brighter handbag to your outfit. So I would choose my Hermes Constance, for example. Black blouse from ASOS as well. This is, I think, my most favorite piece of all because of the detailing and everything. Can you see up close? It looks so beautiful, again with the puffy sleeves, some detail on the neckline. I love this see-through detail. It's so beautiful. It looks like lace or something like that. It has the same thing at the back a little bit, and I'm just a fan. I love it so much. I also love the way it buttons up, covering a little bit of your neck as well. I am obsessed with this shirt. I think it is so stunning. It is also very light, very breathable. Look at the details on the sleeves. I mean, it's just beautiful, and I was honestly surprised how affordable it was. I feel like if this was Valentino or something, and it looks like Valentino sort of, you know, it would have been thousands of dollars, but I think it was 35, something like that, which is so inexpensive for such a beautiful piece. As you can see, I went for a monochromatic look, so I'm wearing all black everything. I have black denim, I think it's the way to go, black Jadior flats, and I'm also carrying this diorama bag. I think dioramas are discontinued, which is a shame because I think it is such an amazing handbag. But yeah, this is the look. Let me move the camera a little bit so you can see it better from far away. What do we think, guys? You can definitely style it with so many more different things. You can add a different colored bag, for example, again as something like my red Constance bag as a pop of color. It will look amazing with this outfit as well. I've decided to go monochromatic. I think you can never lose wearing monochromatic. It's always a win-win situation. Yes, it does look like I'm going to a funeral, but I don't care. I love it. This is the vibe. I think it is stunning. Oh my god, this shirt is honestly everything. So guys, here is the last piece I wanted to share with you. It's this beautiful flowy dress from H&M. It also has this beautiful flowers all over it in white, green, purple and pink. It looks so beautiful. I love that it is very roomy inside. It really hides all of your flaws, and I think even if you're pregnant you can easily wear this dress. Look at all the little flowers all over it. They're so adorable. And the way I want to style this dress is with this Cult Gaia handbag. It's the Arc bag. I got it about 2 years ago, maybe a year and a half, and I think it is really cute. It doesn't fit a lot, but it is manageable. And I'm also pairing this dress with the beautiful Valentino Rockstad flats. I haven't worn them in quite a while, and I got them years ago. I can't even remember when exactly, but I think with this dress they look so amazing because this bubblegummy pink color matches the color on the dress as well as the handbag, and together they look so cute. Oh my god, it is such a cute summery outfit. What do you guys think? I think it's so nice, and I'm so excited to finally start wearing all of these cute pieces outside. What was your favorite, guys? Also, what do you think about this format of the videos? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!